It's recording already. Don't touch here, you hold this. It's recording.
It's already recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Background. Yes. Come here, take us.
Yeah?
Yeah, come here. Yeah.
Closer.
Lady, don't press.
Yeah, I didn't press.
Okay. Is it recording?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's recording.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor EULOGE Nkounkou, the first Doctor of Philosophy in International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy, Warlura Kwachita, International Petroleum, Minerals and Energy Attorney, Expert and Diplomat of the United Nations. And as you know, we are official, the Secretary General of the United Nations. This month, will sit at New York to replace Antonio Guterres. As you see, as I promised that today we are Sunday 7, 2023, and I meet my own blood from Tonga, Tonga and in Polynesia. I will quickly, they will introduce themselves. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Jody Pulotu. I'm 18, 2019 this year.
Okay, 2019, this year. Okay.
Hello, my name is Alice. Alice Pulotu. I am 16 this year.
Okay, you come from Tonga, right?
That's correct, yes.
Okay. How long have you been here?
Roughly 2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
Okay, 2 months you came here. The people of Tonga, I'm your own brother, okay, in Polynesia. No one talked about the Polynesian. Right now, the situation is very difficult there. But we are working for your prosperity, security, financial independence, cash for all, justice, and international and economic prosperity for all right now. So keep hope. Nothing is working in Mayotte. Nothing is working in Réunion. Nothing is working in Belize. Nothing is working in Barbados. Nothing is working because the United Nations disappeared. We are coming to build new United Nations. We are coming with a new hope. So my people from Tonga just have a job. My people from Tonga, the international community forget them. No one talked about Tonga. But we went to look for them. To put them in the front of international community, to say that you are wrong, to forget, to hide the suffer of my people. That's why people of Tonga, when you're going to see this message for your Secretary General, your brother, to know that we need you to work with us so that we can improve the lives there, save the lives there, and improve to build economic and financial prosperity for all. Thank you so much.